close case developments at a glance. Bruce Vielmetti, Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel. Milwaukee, one of the two Wisconsin girls charged in the 2014 Slender Man stabbing, pleaded guilty Monday to a reduced charge and will proceed to trial only on whether her mental condition should make her legally responsible. Ineza Ware's attorney and prosecutors announced the resolution Monday morning at a status conference ahead of her trial, which is scheduled to begin next month. Assistant District Attorney Ted Shaupakovich said the family of the victim, Peyton Leutner, supports the plea arrangement. Ware, now 15, pleaded guilty to attempted second-degree homicide, as a party to a crime, with use of a deadly weapon. She had pleaded guilty by reason of mental disease or defect in September 2016. Second girl pleads insanity in Slender Man stabbing case. September 2016. Second girl in Slender Man case to plead insanity if a jury finds her not guilty by reason of mental disease or defect. She agrees she would not seek conditional release from a state mental hospital until July 2020. If the jury rejects the insanity defense, prosecutors agree to recommend a sentence of 10 years in prison, plus 10 years of extended supervision. Ware faced a possible maximum prison sentence of 45 years in prison, plus 20 years of extended supervision if convicted of attempted first-degree homicide, for the first time since her arrest as a 12-year-old, more than 3 years ago. Ware, now a much more mature-looking and sounding teenager, spoke at some length in court. She had to explain to Circuit Judge Michael Boren that she understood what she had done, and the consequences of pleading guilty to the new charge. For the most part, Ware repeated the explanations she offered to a detective the day of her arrest, May 31, 2014, July 2016 court. Slender Man suspects stay in adult court. June 2016 mom of girl charged in Slender Man stabbing struggles with daughter's fate, but for the first time, she said she feared not only that Slender Man would harm her and her family if she didn't kill her classmate, but that she feared Morgan Geyser, her co-defendant, would return to Waukesha, Wisconsin, and kill her if Ware didn't try to flee with her after the actual stabbing occurred. Leutner was stabbed 19 times and left for dead in a Waukesha park the morning after a sleepover party for Geyser's 12th birthday, but managed to crawl near a path where she was found by a passing bicyclist. Both defendants later told police they were trying to either impress or avoid the wrath of Slender Man, a fictional internet boogeyman the girls said they believed would harm them or their families if they didn't kill their friend. Contributing Gina Barton, Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel. Follow Bruce Vielmetti on Twitter at ProofHer. May 2016 Slender Man defendant appeals her $500,000 bail. April 2016 Slender Man defendants denied bail reduction. Read or share this story http://sussit.ly2wr66lb